Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Aminul Islam, Associate Professor of English, Bogota Cantonment Public School and College.
Hello students, how are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are staying at home and watching my class. Students, welcome to my today's class, Rules of the Right Form of Verbs. Today, I will discuss some basic rules. We all know that verb is the most important part of speech in English. A verb is called the heart of an English sentence. So if you want to write correct sentences in our composition, in our write-up, we have to know these basic rules. Let us start our lecture with some basic rules. Rule 1. Rule 1. If any preposition except to is used before a verb. If any preposition is used before a verb, the verb must take an in form and it will be called a gerund. Students, rule 1. If any preposition except to is used before a verb, the verb must take an in form and it will be called a gerund. It will be called a gerund. Okay? Let me give you an example. Example. I am thinking of go there. Here you see preposition of is followed by verb go. That is, of preposition is used before the verb go. So as per rule, it is wrong. What should be the correct form of this verb go? The correct form of this verb go as per rule must be going. This going is gerund. Another example. Before take a decision, we should discuss among ourselves. This is preposition before and this preposition is followed by verb take. So you see, as per the rule, the correct form of this verb take must be an in form. That is, the correct form should be taking. Do you understand? So it is a very important rule. Okay, now rule 2. Rule 2. If two verbs are used together, then the later verb must take and inform. Inform. For example, I am giving you an example of the sentence. Example. He loves play cricket. He loves play cricket. You see, students, you see, loves and play, two verbs are used together one after another. So as per rule, the later verb, that is play, it is incorrect. What should be the correct form of play? As per rule, the correct form of play must be, yes, playing, in form, playing, in form of play. Another example I am giving you. He enjoys read novels. Here also we see, you look, here also we see two verbs are used together. One is enjoys, another is read. So these two verbs are used together. So as per the rule, the later verb, that is read, must take an ing form. Correct form of read here must be reading. So the correct sentence is he enjoys reading novels. Now to understand, rule 3. If there is a present tense before conjunction since the verb after since must be in the past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. I am giving you an example to make it clear. Example. It is long since I see him last. You see that before since there is a present tense. Is a present tense. So as per rule, the verb after since, which is see, must be in the past indefinite tense. So the right form of the verb see must be saw, past form. So this is correct, this is incorrect as per rule. On the other hand, if there is a past tense, any past tense, if there is a past tense before since, the verb after since must be in the past perfect tense. I am giving you an example to make it clear. Example: it was long. It was long. Since. You see, there is a past tense before since. It was long since I see him last. So as per rule, the verb after since must be in the past perfect tense. So this is C is incorrect. So the correct form as per rule must be in the past perfect tense. Had seen. Had seen.
The students, mere learning of rules is not enough for using the correct form verb. You will practice this rule in your own sentences. You will write at least 5 sentences of your own using each of the rule. This is your homework. Thank you very much for watching my class. I will see you again.